Is that what?
Yeah. Brianna said, haha, that's right.
Asking for my reply. It's distracting. Whoa, whoa, whoa.
Are they real?
Do you think they're real? I like it either way. Hi, my name is Teresa, and I'm getting a makeover.
There is there. Hold on, there is. Oh, maybe we should put one of these.
This shirt makes me look fat.
Makes your boobs look bigger.
Thank you.
Okay. Hello Kitty?
Of course. What other way would I do it? I am deeply offended. It's interesting.
Can you have one?
Lip gloss is popping. My lip gloss is cool.
Do you have lip gloss? No.
I have lip gloss.
Some blackness.
Kira. That's not me.
You know how to talk with baby voices or something?
Oh my god, are you seriously asking me that?
Hold on. Rub your lips together. Rub your lips.
No Shave November.
No,
I only looked once.
I know.
Well, besides the boobs. You can't really, like, not look at the boobs.
Hold on, I'm not done. Okay.
And the thing is all for free. How much other girls like me would pay for this? Go shopping and get me some new clothes.
Look at the mirror.